Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is Charlotte's Web. And that guy there with the stash, that is Karl. Okay, so he starts off with some mezcal. Beautiful. Go double on the mezcal. All right, love that. Okay, you can never have too much. And then this is Campari infused with strawberry and chili. Okay, I've never tried that before. Never occurred to me. Gotta try it at some point soon. White vermouth, get that in there. Okay, put in the ice and stir away. This is Negroni-ish. Well, not, yeah, kind of, but like a mezcal Negroni. It's cool. Okay, so he poured it over a block of ice. Beautiful. And then he comes with his dehydrated strawberry chili roll-up, okay? Kind of like a fruit roll-up, but homemade, okay? Beautiful. Love it. And there you have it! Charlotte's Web. Okay, why Charlotte's Web?
It's my friend Charlotte who runs this mezcal company. It's all female grown and owned company, so I named it after her.
Only girls work here?
Yeah.
Isn't that sexist?
Yeah, no.
I want a job, okay? Well, I can sue. I'm kidding. All right. How many girls work there?
I think like 6.
Okay, all right. Anyway. What is that on the ice?
So that is a dehydrated strawberry chili fruit roll-up. So I made a shrub and I took the discard and I dehydrated it and made a fruit roll-up and a little sea salt on top.
Do it. This is an awesome drink. Love the color. All right. Anyway, you can taste this and tell us what you taste, okay? Professional tasters.
It's delicious. I'm not gonna lie, that one's good.
I think you need a little bit more description than that.
So you get the smokiness of the mezcal. That's really it's balanced with the bitterness of the Campari, the strawberry.
Okay, so these are soaked in Campari.
Yeah, so it's strawberry and chili soaked in Campari.
Y'all see the chili, right? And the strawberries, okay? And it's soaked in Campari. Oh, dude, that's kind of cool. Yeah. Okay, but what does that do?
So you get a little spice on the back end. The strawberries adds a little sweetness because Camparis are usually bitter. Then I use about a half ounce of Dolin Blanc, which is a vermouth, but it's got a lot of floral notes. So it kind of balances out the spice, balances out the smoke, so it's all really well combined, and the salt kind of adds a little salinity to the drink.
You have to have a really good palate to be able to do this, right?
Maybe, yeah.
Okay. Notice you see like all those different, like I'm not gonna pick up all them different notes. You know, I mean, I drink a drink and I go, okay, that's good. Okay. Oh no, that's bad, but I drink it anyway. You see what I'm saying? But he could tell all these different layers, a little bit of floral, a little bit of this. Okay, so take another sip.
Twist my wrist.
If that was a car, what kind of car would that be?
That'd be a red Corvette. No questions asked. That'd be a red Corvette.
One of the newer Corvettes, or like this a Stingray?
No, that's a Stingray. That's an 81 red Stingray.
Oh, no, notice he threw in the air, okay? Classic, homeboy. Okay, so check out Charlotte's Web. Go online and check out Spirit and Spoon on Instagram. Follow him. Stay tipsy, drink responsibly.